Oh, hello, pussy.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Oh my god, wait till you see the angle that I have in this.
What are you guys doing?
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Here we go. Boom, 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 boom.
Rosie, what are you doing? Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong? Look, it's not my fault you weren't ready for me to come home today and your body clock was all messed up. It's not my fault. Yeah. I was loud. You would have heard my car. You were just sleeping outside in your catio. What? I don't... Look, I'm sorry to disappoint you like that. Come on, just lay down. You can't be cranky at me forever. You can't. Come on. Alright then. Good boy. You just sit there and do you, dude.
Me. 打扰了。
It's the final brain cell.
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
And bam! The kitty police will come right through that front door and take you straight to cat jail. But only if you don't cuddle with Mom. It's true, I swear. It happened to Leo the other day. Remember that?
Rich. Sweet. Honestly.
That's the manager.
He's the manager. That's the manager?
Yeah. Jeremy, why are you being so grumpy?
He's like,
Ooh, this is nice.
My belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger.
Hello? Oh, wow. Is that what you have to say? Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah. And what else?
That's a wide stance, my guy. Super solid. No one's gonna tip you over.
They could try, but you'd be like, nah, the stance is too wide for that.
Bang!
Okay, so this is Murphy, and he loves being scratched. And now my husband is going to demonstrate what happens when you stop scratching him. Murphy! So rude.
So hot. And you get on a again like this. Even though it's in this outdoor area. That's how hot it is today.
Are you done? Okay.
Ow!
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Sometimes I think, and then I forget.
Come on.
So good and tasty.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Beep beep. Beep beep beep. 小马，你怎么了？你坐公交车呀？
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
That's my foot! Ow! That was rude.
I'm sorry.
Hey. Hey! Hey! Can you? That's literally my big toe. That's literally.
It's like he knows that.
The camera got him.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Relax, sweetheart. Go and get some coffee and forget about it.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled...
Knock, knock, who's there? Autism. Burn, burn, burn. Where the hoes at? Not here.
So there's no screen or glass on this door because obviously the kids broke it off. Gizmo, come here.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Giz.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Giz.
Naman kang nguri.
Laki, no? Diyan ka na nguri. Ayan. Ay, kuha. Kuha yan. Hey. Hey, bud.
Follow me for more anti-aging tips.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature.
Lanjut po.
Oh no, loons! Oh no, loons! Did you fall over? Hold on. Oh no, loons! Are you okay, my little looners? Do you need CP loons? Charge! 1, 2, 3, loons! Oh no! Charge! 1, 2, 3, super loons! Let him live his life.
No, not today. Not today. Oh, it's not that bad. You get so much time, so much attention. You act like you're the stepchild. That's not true, Travis. That's not true. He's very nice to you. He's very nice to you. You're under a heated blanket. So seriously. Stanley. Mind your space.
Chippy, chippy, chippa, chippa, dooby, 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 chippy,
Need sucky sucky now, mommy. Mommy's milk.
I'm just laying here thinking, how am I this cute and there's absolutely no one giving me attention?
I want a stove, a TV, a washing machine, a speaker, a switch, a fridge, and...
Wer ist das? Wer ist das denn?
Please leave me alone. I'm actually terrified of you. Please. I'm scared. Please stop. This is... Ah! What's your... I was just trying to play around. Please. I was just trying to hold it. Ah! No, please!
Lo sé, ya vería, lo sé.
Do you mind? Come on, get out of there. Thank you.
Regina, wait, I didn't mean for that to happen. To find out that everyone hates me, I don't care. Regina, please. Regina, stop! Do you know what everyone says about you? They say that you're a homeschooled jungle freak who's a less hot version of me. Yeah.
Today is the hardest I have worked in a long, long time.
Savannah, you like your popcorn? I came to a point where I just gotta give her her own bowl of snacks.
Look, this, I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me. They just gave it to me. And now it lives in my house.
¿Qué hiciste ahí? ¿Qué es eso de ahí? ¿Qué es eso? Bruna, ¿qué es eso?
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your window.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Whoa! Oh.
hair. He has one of my hairs in his.
And you got his nose.
Oh shit! Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Ow! Okay, okay. Oh! What are you, literally, with the full weight of your body? Get over here, you little fucker.
You stop it.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!